Assalamualaikum everyone. How are you my kids? Hope you all are well. Welcome to my maths class. Now, do you know our assessment days are coming? Yes. So, you have to study. You have to revise the topics covered in this term. So, I will give you some revision works in the coming days so that you can prepare for the assessment. So, let's see, according to our syllabus, what will be the topics covered in our assessment so that you can revise the topics. So, this is our syllabus. So, first one is writing numbers. So, in our second term syllabus, the writing numbers was 61 to 100. We learned it in our class, right? So, you have to revise the numbers from 61 to 100 and you have to write it. Next one is number 2, missing numbers from 41 to 70. So, there will be some numbers from 41 to 70 with some missing numbers. You have to fill up the missing numbers. So, you have to practice these missing numbers. Okay? Now, number 3 is before numbers. We learned the before numbers from 1 to 40. So, there will be some random numbers given so that you can write the before numbers. So, you have to practice the before numbers from 1 to 40. Number 4 is descending numbers from 1 to 10. You remember descending numbers, right? That is arranging numbers from greatest number to smallest number. I will give some numbers jumbled way and you have to arrange the numbers in descending order. So, you have to practice this as well. So, next one is number 5, number in words from 1 to 10. We practiced this in class, right? So, there will be some numbers in jumbled way, meaning 1 to 10 number will be not sequentially. Okay? It will be given jumble numbers so that you can write the spellings of the numbers. Number 6 is সংখ্যা লিখো. সংখ্যায় আমরা 61 থেকে 100 পর্যন্ত পড়েছি, right? So, you have to practice from 61 to 100. Okay. Then, number 7 is শূন্যস্থান পূরণ. 31 থেকে 60 পর্যন্ত শূন্যস্থান পূরণ রয়েছে। সো, এখানে আমরা 31 থেকে 60 পর্যন্ত সংখ্যা দেয়া থাকবে। কিছু সংখ্যা আমরা বাদ দিয়ে দেব, সেই সংখ্যাগুলো আপনাদের লিখতে হবে। তো এটা আমাদের বেশি করে প্র্যাকটিস করতে হবে। নাম্বার 8, কথায় লিখো 1 থেকে 15। এটা আমরা ক্লাসে পড়েছি। সেম নাম্বার ইন ওয়ার্ডসের মতো 1 থেকে 15 যে কোনো সংখ্যা উল্টো পাল্টা করে আমি দিব, সেই সংখ্যাগুলোর বানানগুলো আপনাদের লিখতে হবে। এজন্য 1 থেকে 15 সব বানানগুলোই আমাদের জানা প্রয়োজন। Number 9 is subtraction with pictures from 1 to 10. So, we practiced the subtraction in class. So, there will be some problems of subtraction. You have to count the pictures to do the subtraction. So, I will give some practice work for you so that you can revise the subtraction topic. So number 10 is matching number with words. So there will be some numbers in one side and other side there will be some spellings. So you have to match the spelling with the right numbers. Okay, and of course handwriting and neatness. You all have to write very neatly and handwriting should be very good. Okay, in our assessment this should be very good. Okay, so practice the handwriting. So this is all the topics we covered in our second term syllabus. So revise the topics very well so that you can be good at the assessment. So that's it for today. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.